From Universal Studios in Hollywood, California, it's Home and Family. Today on the show, white-hot actress Shanae Grimes-Beach and comedian Shonda Pierce. From our house to yours.
Brighten up your day, going family way.
Flowers. I will say it's either diamonds or flowers. The girls are, you're all like, oh my God, those are beautiful.
Why can't
those
we
are
have
beautiful.
both?
You can have both. And here to show us how you can have at least one of those and make it on your own, unless you can make a diamond. We're going to show you how to make the flowers today.
This would be easier.
She's here to show us how to make this beautiful flower arrangement, and you're going to do it out of paper. Please welcome blogger and DIY expert Lia Griffith. Welcome.
Thank you.
It's nice to have you step in. We just threw you right into our DIY department.
That's right.
You've been there before, walking around.
I've been doing it a little while.
Yeah, I know you have, but
You can tell these are exquisitely made. They look, you have to touch them to see if they're not real. They're made completely out of paper, but listen to this. She actually made a dress out of paper, and we have it right here. We have a photo of the dress right here of your daughter. This is your daughter.
Is your daughter wearing
This
the
is my
dress?
daughter. Yes, it is.
Made out of paper.
Yes, I've made about 65 paper dresses by now, and this one is the newest, and it's the first one I've made out of crepe. And this dress is actually made it around the world. It went to Germany and back. This shows you how easy it is to work with crepe paper, because I had to do a little repair work after I got back.
Wow.
Yes.
Well, your social media just keeps growing and growing. What can we expect when we go to your blog?
You know, I specialize in paper myself, but the blog is all about handcrafted lifestyle. So we have felt projects, fabric, home decor, wedding ideas, DIY. It's all about DIY lifestyle.
Right.
So it's not just about paper.
Why start a blog?
Well, a few years ago, I was working as a creative director for a stationery company, and we started a blog for that company, and it exploded. It got so big because I was showing people how to make paper flowers and do the DIY things for their weddings. And I thought, okay, this is my dream. I'm going to go and do it on my own. And 3 years ago, I started my own business, and now I have a company, a small company, and we're trying to just get it all out there.
And you have like nursing tips for paper cuts?
I do.
You must get a lot of those doing what you do.
You know what it is? It's coconut oil. I know.
Oh, that
Yes.
coconut oil.
For everything.
For everything.
Her paper cuts hurt worse than regular cuts.
Well, coconut oil will take it away.
Right? Okay, good tip. Good to know that.
Well, you're going to show us how to make these crepe papers, and you're actually going to show us how to make an anemone.
It's the worst name for such a beautiful flower. Anemone.
How do you pronounce it correctly?
Anemone. Yes.
Anemone.
Yes. And this flower is hot for weddings right now, so I'm going to show you how to make it.
Is there a special paper we have to use?
You know, I have made this flower out of felt, out of metallic paper, out of printed paper, and today we're just going to use this crepe paper. This is a double-sided crepe paper, and then we have a single-sided as well. And this is actually, I'm releasing this as my line in just a few weeks.
Oh, congratulations.
So, yes.
Oh, congrats.
So, what are the other supplies that we're going to need?
What we're going to have is we have wire, floral wire that is an 18 gauge. We have floral tape, scissors, the hot glue gun. We're going to start with this pattern, and you can download this. We'll have it available for everybody. And then I have these little 3/4 inch foam balls. Now, I want to give you a tip. If you don't have these balls, don't worry about it. Take a little bit of your leftover crepe paper, roll it up in your hand to make a ball, and you can use that as well.
Great,
okay?
good to know.
All right, so we're going to start with cutting everything out, and I pre-cut it for you. So one of my tips that I like to do is stack the crepe paper, because then you can do more at once and get everything prepped, and then things will go really fast. So the first thing, we're going to have you help me here.
Do you want to help me make them?
Oh my God, I'm so nervous.
By the way, the next time you make wardrobe out of paper, do a tuxedo. I'll wear it.
I'm going to do that. Really? Can I have your word on that? Okay.
Yes.
We're going to make this happen.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the end of my wire.
Put the glue on the wire.
Oh.
You want to do
and just slide the wire in. And the glue's going to help it stay, because you don't want this falling off.
All right.
All right. We'll take the round piece that we've cut, and this can be cut any way. It doesn't matter, because the ends won't show. We're going to wrap it around and just twist it on to the wire.
Okay. The wire's supposed to stay straight.
We're going to add a little hot glue.
Hot glue. Oh, more glue.
Yep, more glue.
Okay.
And we'll twist it on. And that's
You're not being a
I
good
know, I'm
assistant.
a bad assistant.
You keep going. We'll play
I
catch
know,
up.
keep
now.
going. Okay. We'll work on it.
The next thing we'll do is we're going to cut these little strips of black, and this is important. You'll see lines
pretty.
on the paper, and you want to follow the grain of the paper. And this is important because we will cut this like eyelashes.
Oh.
So we have this beautiful fringe.
Oh, that's you got quite a lash
Yes.
there going. Okay.
Yeah.
Add a little glue to the start. And the eyelashes go towards the top, and you just wrap it around. Just
Do you have
twirl
no
it.
feelings in your thumb?
You
Because
know,
that glue is hot.
Let me tell you, I use a low temperature hot glue
Oh,
gun.
low temperature.
Oh,
Yes,
that's a good
absolutely.
No.
I never use a high temperature. There's no reason I should come out
Okay.
with blisters.
Okay.
Okay, a little more hot glue
It'll
at
fall
the end.
off again.
Oh my gosh, look what you did. This is fantastic. Congratulations.
My
This is great.
teamwork. My ping pong ball is broke.
Okay, we're going to come back here. I'm going to
Okay.
scrunch this flour.
All right.
Now, this gives it a real natural look, like you
Looks like
picked
a
it out of the
piston.
garden. Yes.
It does.
And then the petals, I'm cutting them out of this two-sided crepe, so it has two different colors. I stack the paper again and just cut 6 at a time. It makes it really easy. I've pre-cut these, and this is the trick. So you see how the grain lines are up and down? You very gently start pulling
pull
the
them.
petal to make the shape, and it looks like a
Feel
beautiful...
that when you pull it. That's really unusual.
amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
So this is crepe paper. This is where paper is creped to have
Is this what the
little-
dress is made out of?
And
Yes,
there's
it
two
is. The
same thing.
different
Yes.
shades to it. One,
There's two
that's what
shades.
makes it look like it real.
Yes, this is a very beautiful
pretty.
I
two-sided.
thought it
Yes.
was really dainty
you can
paper,
really
but it
mold
does
it.
hold up, huh?
It
Yeah.
does. Yeah, you would think it would tear.
You would think it
when
would tear
pull,
really
but it doesn't.
easily.
It's very strong.
How does it do in the
both are
sunshine? If you set these in the window, does the sunshine going to fade it?
It does, and I would keep them out of the sunshine for that. But you know, for a day, for a wedding, it's
Yeah,
perfect. Or if you put them, you know, on your table for a week or so. But I wouldn't put them directly in the sun. Now I'm going to glue the first 3 petals around in a triangle.
So you're
Look
doing
how-
things in 3.
I am.
Yes.
And this goes really fast once
It
you.
does. Look
when-
already.
yeah.
It looks like a real flower
It does.
already.
And then the second 3, we'll layer them right on the back.
Okay, get the glue and going.
All right.
And me a
You're making anemones.
Anemone.
Anemones.
And we're just going to glue them, just like I did with the petals, right
Wow, it
underneath
comes
the
together
Do you
blue.
need
really
the glue
quickly,
on
doesn't
the
it?
inside or the outside?
I would glue them on the inside and just stack them right around the wire here.
Okay, I'll do that. All right.
You can go ahead and put a nice line of
I
glue
need
on
another.
it.
I need another
Oh dear.
glue gun.
There we go. That's why we
Look
have
at that.
extra.
Working together here is
That's where
key.
we've been going wrong. We got no glue.
Oh, that could be the problem.
Thanks a lot.
By the way, we're going to send you to our website if you want to get some more instructions on this.
Yeah.
Christina, you going to be able to finish that out? You
I-
just glue it and then wrap
I
it?
got
You
one
do.
in, but look already. I mean, it already looks
Yes,
amazing.
and I just finish it off with a little floral tape
Floral tape.
to make it look real. It doesn't. You don't want to see the
Right.
metal, right? Look how beautiful.
But she made so many of these. Let me just show everybody so they can see this.
Beautiful
Yes.
bouquet.
She put them all together, wrapped floral paper,
Floral tape?
around it,
Yeah.
and made a beautiful bouquet.
matches your
LiaGriffith.com is
outfit.
also where you want to go to pick up some of those. What do they smell like? Do they smell pretty? Oh, gorgeous, huh? We're coming right back.